Hey travel friends, today on Judah the Travel Bug we're feeling a bit spoiled because we're staying at the St. Regis in New York City. The St. Regis New York has been welcoming guests to its prestigious Fifth Avenue address since 1904. The moment you walk in, you know that it's special. Everything here is thoughtful, intentional, with the best hospitality in the city. As we head up to our classic New York standard room with high ceilings and plush bedding, Jim casually mentions the Titanic.
With Titanic.
What does this have to do with Titanic?
The St. Regis was the original. It's the House of Astor. Astor being the rich guy who died on the Titanic.
Wait a minute, time out. Quick history lesson. The St. Regis was built by John Jacob Astor in 1904, and from the beginning, the St. Regis had electricity, private bathrooms, and a phone in every guest room. Basically sorcery. 8 years later, John Astor, not just a rich guy, but the richest man in the world at the time, was a first-class passenger on the Titanic, and sadly went down with the ship. Hello. Welcome to my fever dream. Is this real? Jim, it's amazing.
Yeah?
It's everything you expect from a historic grand hotel like this. We just got a king room. We have this glorious chandelier. We're right on Fifth Avenue. Oh my gosh, we have like a little balcony thing. Wonder if they let us be grown-ups and go out. We'll have to test that later. All right, St. Regis bed. Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
I love it. I love the bold color. I love when a hotel is not just beige. And the striped walls are playful. You got some zebra print pillows. And then come check out the bathroom. Oh, I just noticed, I think there's a television in our mirror. Is that
Well, of
right?
course. What else would you put in a mirror? Marble shower.
Okay, now the greatest part about all of this is this room comes with our own butler. We haven't met him yet. Do you think his name is like Jeeves or...
If not, we were calling him that. I mean, he doesn't get an option.
Do you think our butler's gonna realize we're not used to having a butler?
No.
That this isn't the norm for us?
Yeah, he's gonna smell Ohio on us from 14 floors away.
I know. We then explored more of the hotel. Pro tip, visit the in-house salon. All right, part of check-in, you get $50 a day at the salon. And if you don't use it, if you don't get your nails painted or a shampoo and style, you can go in and just buy $50 worth of products. I got some mint conditioner. And then the cool thing is, it's $50 every day that you're here. So I will be back down for the shampoo tomorrow. We then headed to the drawing room bar for a drink. The hotel's iconic King Cole bar has not opened yet. We sit on plush, velvety furniture, and of course we have to get the hotel's signature cocktail, the Bloody Mary. It was invented here. We then changed for dinner. The St. Regis has many dining options, but Jim has bigger plans tonight, and our butler helps to see them through by requesting the complimentary house car for us. Yes, complimentary, and oh yeah, it's a Bentley. All right, we're taking the St. Regis car to dinner.
Yeah.
It's another perk. First come, first serve, right?
Yeah, first come, first serve is available, but it's beautiful Bentley that they pull right up and hop in and away you go. Up to
And-
like roughly 40 blocks, I
Okay,
believe
40
they
blocks.
said.
Yeah, so you can't.
You know, take it to Massachusetts. But
Our wonderful driver drops us off in Columbus Circle, and I squeal with excitement because I'm certain Jim's dinner surprise is per se. A dream come true where every course is a flex of perfection. But that's another video. After, we go back to the St. Regis to get our drink on at the iconic King Cole bar. We don't film a lot here because we're pretty snockered by this time, but we do make a friend with one of the staff members who shares with us the Imperial Suite. Wow! Look at that view out that window. Morning time, and our butler John delivers me my French press coffee, and he offers complimentary pressing of any of our garments. John has been so great, and he has made sure that our chocolate dish has been full round the clock. Now, the St. Regis does have a complimentary workout room, but why when you're located just a few blocks from the greatest athletic club in the world, Central Park? Jim and I lightly jog around the park and then meet near Strawberry Field for an outdoor yoga class. The St. Regis really is the best home base for a New York trip. It sits right in the heart of Midtown. There's world-class shopping located just outside its doors, and we could explore the city by foot without wasting any time commuting. Thank you, New York and the St. Regis, for an incredible weekend.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.